So let's see what we have discussed in the last session. So basically we discussed about PPC, right?
Yes, sir.
So does anyone would like to volunteer themselves to explain if they know something about that? Hello? No, yes, maybe.
Sir, it's pay per click.
Yeah, but that is the full form. What I explained in the last session, may I know that?
Sir,
Now you can.
I was not there in the last session, but I can tell you what PPC is.
No problem, no problem. Go ahead. Whatever you
Sir,
know, please explain.
so basically, when we want to advertise online, so there is bidding for every word that we want to use. For example, if I own a brand, if I own a clothing brand, and I would like to advertise for my new upcoming product that is, for example, a jeans, right? So basically, what I will type on Google, for example, if I type cheap branded jeans under 699, so for every word that we type, there is a bidding, and we have to bid first, and we have to use keywords accordingly to minimize the bid.
Yeah, you're almost there. So let me explain once again for those who were not present that day. Okay. So we discussed in the last session what is PPC, basically pay per click. What Shubham explained right now. So these are the different types of PPC. So this is called basically search. This is called shopping ads. This is called search ads. And this is the organic results. So when we search any keyword, which as Shubham explained, let's say we search for test books in the last session. So this is the ad which test books are running. And if I click on that, only then textbooks will pay for this ad. Otherwise, if I'm seeing this ad, no amount would be paid by textbook to Google for showing their ads on Google. This is called PPC. There is one more model called PPM, pay per thousand miles impression. That basically explains that when we search for any keyword and it shows on SERP, that is search result page, then if the if the audiences are 1,000 who sees that ad, that particular ad, then they have to pay. So there are two types of models, PPC and PPM. So in per 1,000 miles we pay for impressions, per 1,000 impressions, and in pay per click model we pay for per click. Now I have clicked on that. Now test books have to pay to Google for that ad, for this ad basically. So this is what PPC is. So there are different kinds of ads. We would be running it through as we going through the course. Okay. So after that we discussed about organic results. So organic results are the results which are coming without ad. Like we typed here buy shoes online. So Mintra is coming on the top. So it is because its its quality score and its relevancies are optimally utilized, and that's why it is coming on the top. That is, when user is searching for buy shoes, it is a shoes page only, and inside this link we'll find shoes only, and that too with very quick results. That is because Mintra is coming on the top. I'll explain you today what is quality score and how auctions work. Okay. So this is the basic things we discussed last session. Then we discussed about SEM, SEO. There are these factors of SEO which rank them on the top, like Myntra is on the top because of all these 8 factors: the meta tags, keywords, tags, alteration tags. We will discuss this in more on SEO, but now currently we are discussing on SEM. So basic difference between SEO and SEM. So are you guys able to understand till now what we have discussed in the last session?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Do let me know if I lack somewhere or you need more clarity on some topic. I'll put that. So basic difference. Since we have seen that for SEO, Myntra is not paying any penny. It is because its site is so proper that it is coming on the top. There are 8 factors which is because their site is coming on the top, but it is not paying any penny to Google for the same. It is working on its site only and its products. That's why it is coming on the top. So here is the first difference. SEO, we don't pay for any clicks on the website, but for Google Ads, we have to pay. Now, since Testbook is running Google Ads, so for every click it has to pay. But Myntra, it is coming organically without running any ad. You might be able to see there is no ad written over here besides Myntra's website link. But here, beside Textbook link, there is ad, if you are able to see. So this is the basic difference. So SEO is very long-term process, and if some brands need to show their brand awareness campaigns, or if someone doesn't know about this brand, then basically brands opt for ads because SEO is a long process and all the 8 steps are correct. Then only SEO would be able to come on the top of the page. But in this case, SEM is run for short term and brand awareness campaigns. So basically, SEO results as per their rule. So what is their rule? As per their 8 keyword matrices. SEO work on these, but SEM works on different factors. SEM basically works on how your ad looks like, how appealing it is to the audiences we are targeting, and what are the CTAs we are using, click tags and site links we are using, basically. So I'll explain you all these in more detail further. What is extensions and click tags, which I told. So basically, since in SEO, we are working on our site and improving it from every hour to every day to day. We are improving our site. So we are not targeting to a particular audience here, and we don't target to a particular location. It's just that we are working on our site and making ourselves better to rank on the top of the page. But in textbooks or in SEM or PPC, we don't do this. We target to a particular location. We can also target on a particular time period or ad schedule. We can schedule our ads for a particular time period when we think that our audiences are online and search for our products or services. Okay. And we can target to a particular location as well as to a particular audience. So these are the basic differences here. See, and there are similarities. Help your brand appear in the search results as somebody search with the keyword, and then our brand pages will appear. Either the ad will appear or our site link will, or website link will appear directly on the top, organically or paid advertising. So this is basically the similarities between these two, and these two should be continuously optimized so that we can get better results from them. Okay, and these are the different platforms which we search basically on Google Ads and Microsoft Bing. So these are the transition happened in Google Ads. It started since 1996, then they launched advertising, then they become Google AdWords, and they launch in 2002 they launched PPC, the introduction of PPC. So until then advertisers were charged at CPM, that is cost per mile, that is cost per 1,000 impressions, and not for clicks. So let's say if 100 people 1,000 people have seen this ad, only then I have to pay a certain amount to Google. But now they have changed their models. They have changed as per your convenience. You can choose PPM or PPC. So now we can pay for a particular click, or we can choose a strategy where we just want to show our audiences our ads as much as possible. So this is the transition which occurs. Then there are several transitions further, and now in 2021 it called Google Ads, not AdWords. So is this much clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
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 Guys, please interrupt me if you didn't get anything, or you face any kind of problem. Okay, so the topic which we would be studying today is concept of auctions, and then we proceed further. So what is auction basically? Do you have any understanding of what is auction in simple view? So does anybody see IPL? In that IPL auctions happens.
Bidding will be happening for the players.
Exactly. So in IPL we bid for players. In Google auction we bid for ads. Okay. There are several factors. Like in IPL, there are several factors depending on the player's performance, fitness, etc., and how he plays. Right. So here also several factors are there. Basically combined into three big factors. That is ad rank, quality score, and bidding. So these all the three holds exactly equal position in the concept of auctions. Okay, there is no favorism, and this is what brands do, and their auction defines on the basis of this auction concept of auctions. Are you guys able to see this image or
Yes,
the
sir.
chart, pie chart?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So on these things, auction depends: quality score, ad rank, and bidding. Okay, we'll study further. So what is basically the concept of auctions look like? Let's see now with practical example. See, so I search digital marketing courses. No location I have typed. Okay. So the first ad is coming on the top is Law AC UK. Then Upgrad, then Digi Perform, then Simply Learn. Are you guys able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And after that we are getting organic results. Okay, see, no ads are there. So how this is judged by Google, and it can change every single time when I search. See, let's search something else. See, so earlier UK was coming on the top, some link of UK. Now it is nowhere here. Now DigiPerform is coming on the top. Let's change. Again, Law AC UK is coming on the top. So it depends on how we are applying our factors, different factors, and then we'll decide. So how it works basically is, let's say this advertising one is Law UK. This is DigiPerform. This is Upgrad. This is Simply Learn. So how auction bidding happens basically in ads, we'll see now. See, now auction bidding depends on several factors. So basically let's click on Upgrad, not Upgrad, let's click on Simply Learn digital course. So see, in Simply Learn digital course, the keywords of the ad would be digital courses which they would be targeting. Then when we click on the ad, we are seeing the relevant content regarding digital marketing specialist course. They have given course material. How will they be explaining us the digital marketing? The course overview is here. Then the certification, also master certification. Then the course plan and the fee structure. See, so everything is related to digital marketing over here. And the page load time is also very less. When we click on this, it instantly opens the page, and we don't find anything that is mismatching and we are unable to understand, right? Hello.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So there is no problem where we think that we are not getting about this page, that what it is about or what it is explaining about. So it is very pretty much clear, right? So here are several factors which helps in the bidding and getting on the top of the page. So let's say advertiser one was law.uk. So let's say its quality score is 10. Okay. And maximum bid he can pay according to his budget is 2. So it will say to Google that I can pay you $2 and my quality score is 10. Okay. So the ad rank score would be 20. So ad rank score is basically maximum bid multiplied by quality score. Okay. Do note this formula if anyone wants. So ad rank score is basically maximum bid multiplied by quality score, that is 20. So let's say the second advertiser was DigiPerform. He said that I can pay around $4 per click for my advertising and my quality score is 4. So its ad rank score is 16. Next is Upgrad. It pays $6. Then 2 its quality score is, and accordingly multiplied. And then the last one. Okay. So how auction would work is, so this is the formula which I pay to Google for my rank. Since my rank is on top, let's say law.uk. So how much law.uk will actually pay to Google for per click? This is not the cost which actually pay. This is the cost which the company can pay to Google. But actually, the cost is this, which it can pay to Google. Sorry guys, I missed dollar. So this is the actual price which it will pay to Google. So how it is calculated? Basically, your price is calculated by ad rank of your below advertiser. Let's say Law UK is the first on the top of the page, and below that is DigiPerform. So ad rank of DigiPerform is 16, and the quality score of Law UK is 10. So 16 divided by 10 plus 0.01, that is $1.61. Right. This is the same way. In the same way, the next bid works. So next would be DigiPerform, and below that is Upgrad. So DigiPerform will pay how much? $3.101. That is because 12 divided by 4, that is 3 plus 0.01. So this is how ads auction work. Right. So let's see now. We are seeing digital marketing courses. Simply Learn is coming on the top now. Right. So that is because its quality score is the best, and its maximum bid price would be in comparison to its ad rank. And since its ad rank is coming on the top, so it would be paying around this much cost per click. So this is how basically the things work for auctions. Now we will learn more about what is this term quality score is. Maximum bid is easily understandable, that we can pay this much amount. This is our budget per click. And ad rank is calculated multiplied by this only, and this is calculated on the basis of these. But what is this term now? How is this calculated? This is, we would be learning in the next slide. So concept of quality score. So till now guys, any queries or questions?
No, sir.
I have one query.
Yes Raj.
What I want to understand is like you talked about quality score, right?
Yeah.
Does that quality score varies according to the presentation of advertisements, or is like a standard one?
Yeah, so I would be explaining this in the next slide.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So any other question apart from that?
No.
Anyone else? Cool. Then I'll continue with the next slide. Then Rashri, please, if you didn't got, then please ask me questions regarding
Yeah,
the
sure.
same. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So concept of quality score. Quality score is like, just a minute, guys. Yeah. So quality score basically works on these 4 metrics: ad relevance, landing page transparency, ease of navigation, and increase on site time. So there are things on which quality score works. There are more matrices on which quality score works, but these 4 are the major matrices on which quality score works. So what is ad relevance basically? So see, when we search something on Google, what is happening? Yeah. So when we search something on Google, let's say, what should we search? Let's say textbook. or let's say digital marketing courses only, since there are so many ads. Yeah. So let's say this is what is coming when I search digital marketing courses. So how they are coming on the top, this would be explained now. So see, we explained Simply Learn. So when Simply Learn is running this ad, see, digital marketing course, world's #1 program. These are its headlines basically. So this is a digital marketing course, and if in this, when we click on this, it would be showing me, let's say, class 10th courses or CBSE courses for class 11th and 12th. Would it be relevant? No, right? So when I search for something and I see the ad, relevant ad for the same particular keyword which I am searching, and inside the page, when I click on the ad and inside that page, everything is related to digital marketing only. So this is the ad relevance, that whatever my ad shows, my landing page would be showing the same thing, and I won't be having any problem in understanding these things. So this is the ad relevance basically. This almost holds 80% of quality score. This matrix is the most important matrix, as it holds 80% share in the quality score. If your ad relevance is not proper, let's say if you are showing digital marketing ad, and here there is something related to class 10th or class 12th or any other government exams courses, then that would not be a relevant ad, and Google, when trigger on your website or when searches the website, it will not show you on the top, or your ad would not be, or your quality score will not be on the top, since you don't have relevant content for a particular keyword. So this is basically ad relevance. Guys, please understand this, and as quality score is most important thing. So do let me know, did you understand ad relevance?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So after ad relevance, the next thing is landing page transparency. Okay. So it is one and the similar thing regarding this, as digital marketing is showing uh, digital marketing content only, and it is showing everything related regarding ratings, the customer ratings, as well as the pricing. So customer is, so they are showing transparent information to customers regarding everything. So from this page only, I would be able to understand whether I would be able to buy this course or not, since it is this much, and they are showing what they would be offering me extra apart from the course, and how the course ratings are, and what would they be providing me in the course. So I can make my decision from here only. I don't have to click on any other link or any other page of this site. All the informations are available here only. So this is basically transparency. They are too transparent with me. So this is the thing which transparency is. Next thing is ease of navigation. So Google always works for its customers who search and not for advertisers. It will always make things better for its customers only, right? And if something is not as per the customer demand, it would not promote those things. So ease of navigation is basically how easily customer is able to understand your website, and how means where he can click and where he can go to search for more things, and how easy your website transition is to him or her. So this is the course, and we are able to understand everything, and it is so easy that I can click on here, I can download the syllabus from here by typing email addresses, I can see their plans, and I can enroll for the course as well. So this is the next thing, that is ease of navigation. Means I can easily navigate through the website. It is not difficult for me to go from one course to another. See, I can choose data analytics as well from here with the Python. So this is another course they are offering. I can choose more different courses. I can search for whatever I want. There are resources, instructions, instructors, as well as login details as well. You can log in for your Simply Learn account and go through further. So this is the navigation. So where customer clicks and how easy it is for him to understand and click on different things. So this is the ease of navigation. And increase on-site time. This is the only factor which we can measure. Let's say increase on-site time is 3 minutes. So customer won't wait for 3 minutes for a particular site, right? When we open Facebook, it instantly opens up. When we open this site, Simply Learn, let's say, again, let's search for digital marketing courses. And we open it. So it instantly open within a second time. So increase on site time is very important factor, and it is the only factor which we can measure. Let's say if it would be loading over here, I won't wait. I would go to another website where it is opening very fast, depending on in comparison to Simply Learn. So I won't enroll there. See, I will come here. I will enroll here only. So this is the thing. This is the factor. So now so these factor combines up, and then our quality score is built, and this is how our quality score will look like out of 10. The rating according to our quality score performance, we can bid our prices and we can top on the rank. There is one interesting factor. If your quality score is coming, let's say very high, or let's say 10, then then this advertiser is bidding the lowest amount and still its ad is coming on the top. So this is the most important factor. Quality score, if improved, then our bids could be less, still we can rank on the top. And since its quality score is the worst, so he has to pay very high amount or the highest amount to come on the 4th position or any position on this site. Okay. Yeah, guys. Now, are you able to get that quality score metrics?
Yes, sir.
Yes, basically, sir, it's like if quality score is increasing, it means bidding is less. And if
Exactly.
bidding is high, then quality score is low, but might range at the top of the site.
Exactly.
Okay.
So this is the thing. Any questions till now, guys?
No.
Okay. So I'll proceed further. Okay. So do note it, guys. This formula the ad rank, which is quality score multiplied by maximum bid. So this is how it works here. Now we will move on to funnel, how PPC funnel looks like. Okay, so everything has a proper stages and these stages are transmitted into funnels. So we called it funnel in the marketing term. There are sales funnels, marketing funnels. Same goes with PPC. So PPC funnel looks like somewhat this. Let's see. So 90% of the customer report using search at every stage of their life cycle. Okay. So this means now, since after buying the course, let's say after if I buy this course for 70,500, and then after that course is completed, I would be searching for another course, but I would search, right? So this is it is explaining that every life cycle of customer would be searching for a particular keyword or a particular brand. So search is the most important factor, and PPC is so relevant that once a customer comes on the particular ad, it is 70% of the chances that he would be converted as a customer. And if brands do not run PPC, they would be almost losing their 90% of audiences if they are only working on the organic search or SEO. So this is what makes PPC so different than SEO. Both are important and both are necessary to be on the top of the game. So this is how PPC funnel looks like. First of all, the brand runs awarenesses, and then it comes in customer consideration. The intent, when customer understands what brand is offering and they directly are searching for the particular brand. Contact is the stage where customer intent is matching its search results and it is clicking over there. Verification is when customer clicks on the site and moves on the landing page and verify the content, whether he is searching for that is similar or not. And the conversion is when he directly purchases a particular product or service, right? So this is basically, we would be starting from search intents of the customers. So customer searches are of two types, generic and brand search. So what is basically generic searches? As I type digital marketing courses over here. So this is coming. These all courses are coming. I have not put any of the names of the brands over here. Still their ads are coming. These are the generic searches we do. And if I search for a particular brand, let's say textbooks, or let's say Apple, iPhones. And see, the ad is coming, iPhone. So these are the generic searches. These are the brand searches, which I do, sorry. So if I search for iPhone, then it is a brand search since iPhone is the product of Apple. And if I searches for phones, let's say under 10,000, these ads are coming. So these are generic searches, and these are shopping ads which show when we search a generic. Okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Any questions till now?
No questions.
No questions.
Okay, guys, do let me know if anything you don't understand. Hello. Yeah. So, what do you think if somebody is searching for a brand keyword? Let's say a brand search I'm doing, let's say iPhones, buy iPhones, and I'm searching buy phones. What would be the better search?
Buy
What do
Brand,
you guys
iPhones.
think?
brand search.
Buy iPhone, buy iPhones, right? Because my intent is clear over here that I want to buy iPhones only. So Google will show me the relevant content regarding iPhones only, right? So here bidding also is less since iPhones page will appear and it will show all the relevant content regarding iPhones only. And the site, the landing page experience is also very good over here since I can on one click I can see the products and I can buy directly from here. But in the generic search, when I do it, see, no brand is coming on the top because Google is not understanding what type of phones I want or which brand phones I am interested in. So this is basically the generic search. See, it is showing me iPhone, Samsung, Redmi, everything. But let's say I want Honor phone, then Google is not showing me those ads. So this is not relevant search for me, but Google is not able to understand what is relevant search. So it is showing me all the best advertising which appears on its search page. And whosoever has added this keywords on their website links or on their product feeds and bidding on these keywords would be appearing over here. So this is because of which generic search bids are very brand search bids are very less as compared to generic search bids. Okay, because generic search bids, brand search bids has higher purchase intent than this. Okay, and higher efficiency also since there is the results which I want and I am searching for a particular intent only. So results of efficiency that when I search for buy iPhones, it will show iPhones is basically the efficiency is. This is because the higher efficiency is of buy iPhones. Because my intent is clear, Google is understanding what I want and it is directly showing me the same results which I want. And my chances are also higher to buy this because I want it. But when buy phones, in case of this, there is low efficiency since Google is not understanding first of all what exactly I want. Secondly, it is showing only those bids which are adding these keywords and bidding on these keywords. But let's say if I want something else, some new phone which is not over here, then will not be showing me the results of that particular phone because my search intent is not clear regarding that. I am searching for buy phones only. So this is because of which brand keywords are relevant, more relevant than generic keywords, and we need to pay less for brand searches than to pay for generic searches. Since the mass market is covered over here, but it is so niche that only our brand would be coming on the search page and we would be pay less our competitor since our competition is very low on these keywords and as well as our brand search. Nobody would be coming with their keywords, since our keywords, sorry, nobody would be coming with our brand keywords on their pages, because their landing page would not be relevant to the content, and their quality score will all automatically drops if they bid on our brand keywords. And in comparison to that, if we bid on our brand keywords, it will automatically comes on the top, since our quality score will tops over here. Since our quality score matrix is on the top, ad relevance is better, landing page transparency is better, both of these factors are better, the rest all we would be working, and so things work further. So this is the thing. Yeah guys, so do you have any questions till now?
No, sir.
Do ask me guys if anything occurs or anything you don't understand.
I have one question. Might not
Yeah,
be relevant, but I want to clear my confusion.
yes please.
You just said that it's generic and brand one, right? Does these advertisements, landing, and everything matters according to the geographical region of the country?
No, not exactly. So it depends. If let's say my brand is only in Rajasthan, then why would I be running ads in Pune? Right? Because my relevant audience won't be coming over there. Let's say if my restaurant, I open a restaurant chain only in nearby areas of Rajasthan. Let's say Jaipur, Udaipur, Jodhpur. Then why I would be running my ads in Pune region? Because if somebody comes on my ad and clicks over there, and since it is not in Pune, so they won't be able to book their tables for the same, right? So that ad is not relevant to them.
It's in the case of restaurant, right? What about utilities like mobile phones, different
Yeah.
gadgets?
So mobile phones basically, let's say we chose the audiences like we are. Let's say iPhone is targeting all over the India, but if it thinks that certain region, let's say some of the small villages are not searching for the same, so iPhone would not be running their ads to that particular region which are not searching for iPhones. Because if it would be running their ads over there, that particular region, and they can't afford that particular product or service, then iPhone would be wasting its ad budget for that particular location, right? So this is the basic thing which companies first research after running their ads, that what are the particular regions we can cater, or what are the particular regions we can target, and then it shows their ads to them or that particular audience.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, so we can filter our audiences on several bases. On location factor, we can also run the particular ad on a particular time frame. Let's say from morning 10 to night or midnight 12. So we can do that. We can schedule our ad timings. We can add location to a particular ad. We can also add audiences to a particular ad. Let's say if I'm selling some beauty products for women's, then I would be targeting only women. Why would I be targeting men's? Right. So I would be targeting only women, so I can segregate my audience to niche, and I can add the audiences women over there.
According
Sir,
to for the products, we can do the filtration. It means
Yeah, we can filter more in Google. There are several options on which we can filter, and we can cater our niche audiences. Yes, Darwin.
So normally when we search in generic search or as in band search, the location would be
Mhm.
generally on, no, sir, while we search. Like,
So our location doesn't matter. That particular
okay,
brand's location matters. That where that brand needs to target.
okay, sir.
Right. So let's say there, as I showed you an example of, I as I told you the example of food chain, restaurant chain. Let's say there is a brand name Lucius, Licious, sorry. So it is online chicken. We can buy from here. Okay. So this is its ad over here, and it is only in very few locations of India. It is in
No,
Hyderabad, in Jaipur, maybe in Pune, Mumbai as well, and Bangalore side. Basically, it covers south side as well as few cities of north. Okay, so this is the ad which we run usually. This is one of our brands which we target. Basically, we do marketing for. So this doesn't target all over India. Maybe you might be not able to see this ad because it is targeting only
in
to
those
us,
particular
because
places.
yeah, it is targeting only to us because it can deliver the products only to us. Why would it be targeting to, let's say Andaman and Nicobars? It cannot deliver the product over there. So
Okay,
this
sir.
is the basic thing. It doesn't depend for our location. It depends on where the company or brand is targeting their ads, and they can segregate their location at the time of targeting.
Okay, sir.
Apart from that, any other question, guys?
No.
So I was about to cover campaign structure also, but let's cover it on a next session. So anything you want to ask me, anything you want to ask regarding not only digital marketing but anything apart from marketing or any field. So you can ask your questions, guys. Hello, guys.
Yes, sir. No questions, sir.
Yes, sir.
No questions.
No, sir.
Okay, guys. So do let me know, and just note the important things from these slides. Note the formulas which I told you, and I would be sharing to these slides